a young bone. They come, they try to say that they just wanna keep bringing it home. You down with the darkness, regardless of all you put me down. I managed to keep rocking this. The situation is facing the fucking hatred. You don't even know my fucking retaliation. Look in my eyes, tell me what do you see? Do you see the angel come for the death of me? Do you want me to die? Die for your sins? Well, grab your gun and pull the trigger. Stare at me if you want to fit on the streets. You wanna dig down, you wanna dig down really deep. The deepness in the hardcore range. I don't give a fuck. The situation is facing the fucking hatred. Walking on the street pacing, cause they don't understand me. Back and forth, charging forth, ready to cut you like a vato with no remorse. I'm just a father, and I pray to the son. Pray that he don't have to grow up the same way that I grew up. Look at my face, do you see if I really care? Stare at me if you want to fit on the streets. You wanna dig down, you wanna dig down the deep. The deepness in the hardcore range. I don't give a fuck. Long hair to the ground as I kneel before God. This dog, this one day be the hugged enough. The pain that I contain each and every day. Pay my respect, dude.